Hey ladies, hope you're doing good today. Thank you so much for this collab. It was a lot of fun. So this is my book. I put my page up in the front and I put them together, no particular order because I got all of them in on the same day, which was kind of weird. But so I used on the front cover here, this is a die from, which is this die right here. This is a Cottage Cuts die. And I simply put the puppies together. And on this one, it says Be My Valentine. But right here, I just used the word Valentine. I put a bow here that is made out of some trim that I had in my stash. I love textures. So I put a piece of, actually this is drop cloth in the back. And I put the little hello up here at the top. And this flap opens up and you can either journal in here or put pictures in here. You know, that's totally up to the recipient. This one was my book and this is the back of my book. And again, it's another flap. This has a tab that goes down. And then it opens up this way. And again, you could do photos or journaling. And we were to put our information somewhere in the book. So I went ahead and put my little ticket on the top. So you fold it down and then you close it up with that little heart tab. These are little hearts from the Dollar Tree, those little really thin foam hearts. And here's another bow with a flower in the center. And the paper that I used, I've had for a while. I had gotten it at a Tuesday morning, and honestly, I can't remember what company put it out. But this flap also opens, and again, you can journal or you can put photos on there. And they're held with magnets. And then this one comes from Millie. This is so cute. I just love that little girl. She stickled the little girl, or that may be glitter, one of the two. And then I love this couple here with this beautiful umbrella with the red hearts. It says February right here. And then if we open this up, I'm going to fold this in just so you can see the full page here. So she put my name right here. This is so pretty. And again, if you want to, you can journal right there if I chose to. So the page opens up this way and it's got the February calendar and of course that gorgeous couple. A couple of bling hearts. It says, Will You Be My Valentine? And this collab was a love is. We were supposed to make a page stating what love is. So this one is very, very nice. I just love this one. So this one has little stamps. If you can see those little stamps, those are so cute. Just love those. So that is Millie's front page. And on the back, she put this great big shaker. And that's so cute. I just love the shaker. And right here, she's got this cute little gnome. Look at that puffy heart. Isn't that cute? So she's got the cute gnome. She's got another couple of bling stickers. Right here it says Kisses. And she's got a doily in the back. And she's got some eyelash trim going all the way around the heart beneath it. So that was Millie's. Millie, thank you so much. I appreciate that. I really like this, the stripe paper, the black and white. I love black and white. And then the next one comes from Evelyn. And look at this little girl. Isn't she just gorgeous with her little kitty cat? Oh my gosh, I love this little girl. And again, it looks like she may have stickled the little girl's dress. And the bow on the kitty cat. The little banner on the top with the little bling pieces. She used a doily on the back. It looks like Evelyn used an envelope in the back to create a pocket. And this looks like it's popped up on foam just to give it more dimension. And this is her little tag that she made, a retro background tag. It says, I'm strong for you only, Valentine. Aww. It says, I click with you, you're my type. That is so cute. These are retro images, so adorable. And then she's got a seam binding bow on the top, and on the back it says hugs and kisses 5 cents, and she's got her information down here at the bottom. And this is the envelope that she used for the pocket. That is so cute. I like that. And look at her little heart. Oh, she's so adorable. I just love that little image. And this is her back pocket. These two little birds, the boy and the girl. The little girl has a bow on her hair, or on her head, and the background is a couple of die-cut hearts, and they are on this beautiful little branch. And then on the back, she made a pocket. This little pocket has little tickets in here, little cut aparts, and this is the other side of that doily. And the blue heart is embossed, and she has used stickles all the way around just to make it really pop there. And this one says, pretty please be mine. And this one says, you will always have my heart. And again, she has stickled everything up. And look, how cute is this? Oh, I like that. That's cute. And then a couple of tickets, several tickets, 3 of them. So she has put those in the pocket. Okay, there we go. So that's the little pocket. And then this one comes from Carrie. Carrie is an international member, and this is the one she has made. She has used some trim going all the way around the page. She has used some puffy hearts, and she's got this little image right here. She's got the little boy and girl right here. Beautiful key right here. Some flowers in the center. She's got resin pieces in here, and she's got pearls in here. She's got a real pretty fuchsia bow. And then these are sequins that she glued down individually, and then she used this doily on the back. So that one's looks like it may have been a die cut. So, and she uses really pretty rose paper in the background. And on the back, she has made a pocket for the back side. She's put some horses, some bling. She's glued it all the way around. And look at that background, so pretty. And then she's made this shaker card. It says, love is friends. How cute. Made by me for you. And this must be a stamp. And here's that little, that image again, so cute. This is textured trim at the bottom. She's put a heart on the top. And that's so cute. And then if you open it up, she's got her information here. So cute. She's got some trim on the top, and that goes in this pocket right here. Okay, guys, for my book, all I did was punch the holes and put it on the binder rings. So guys, and right here, I just cut up, you know, this yarn, and you know, this one I've had, this is, I think, is supposed to be some kind of crochet thread, but I've had that for a long time. And these come from the Dollar Tree. I used the pink and the white, and then a couple of strips of satin fabric. And there you go. It was a lot of fun, ladies, and thank you so much for sending me your beautiful 6x6 chipboards. Millie, Evelyn, and Carrie, thank you so much. It turned out really, really cute. I think all of them turned out adorable. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.